Being able to restore communication abilities for patients and improving their quality of life and ultimately their family's quality of life is what's most rewarding to me. Hi, I'm Erin Whalen and I'm a Springfield Clinic Audiologist. In high school, I was trying to figure out what I wanted to do with the rest of my life. My grandfather has profound hearing loss and I've seen him through life struggle to communicate, and I wanted to help people like him. Typically people will come in if it's for hearing related issues, all the way from newborns up to geriatrics. And I start with a hearing test, and depending on what's going on, we may go into hearing aids. They may need more of a surgical treatment option. There's a lot of people, because hearing loss is so gradual, that they don't realize that they have problems a lot of times. So usually when we fit somebody with hearing aids, we'll see them back in about a week to 2 weeks, and when they come back after that 2 weeks, they're shocked at how much they were missing.